If you feel your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds volume is too low, like it could be louder, you wish if there was a way to increase and maximize the volume, in today's video we'll show you how to do that either from your iPhone or Android. And we'll share a bonus trick at the end of this video those who are using Samsung Galxy S24 Ultra. Now first, especially for those who are using an iPhone, from Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, scroll down, go to Headphone Safety. Here, if Reduce Loud Audio is turned on, just turn it off. The second process we're going to show you, you can follow it either from your iPhone or Android. Just make sure to install and connect Sony Headphones Connect App. Open the app, make sure it's connected to your earbuds, go to the Sound tab, scroll down for Equalizer, tap on this downward arrow, make sure no customized equalizer is turned on, and then tap on this full icon. Here, slide up and maximize all the frequencies one after another. And also, slide this bass to right and maximize it. Now please remember, although it might not be the best equalizer, but this will instantly give a boost to your original volume. Go for it if your only priority is to maximize the volume. And lastly, as promised at the beginning, if you're using a Samsung Galxy S24 Ultra, just press the volume up and down button, tap on this 3 dot, tap on this full icon, again this 3 dot, go to Media Volume Limit, turn it on, and then increase or maximize the limit. Now you can customize all these volume limits as you prefer, but please remember, if you frequently use these, this might hurt your ear. So please be careful. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.